Hi there guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to go from this to this. Yep, dash is completely out. Didn't actually take that long either, but let's get into the video. Hopefully I can help you to get your dash out. And welcome back to another video. As you've seen from that intro, I am going to be removing my dash. Now there's a few different reasons why I'm removing my dash, and we'll get into that in the next video. This video is just going to be me removing this dash. Now I'm just going to be honest, I don't actually know how to remove this dash. I have seen a video online and it wasn't the clearest, but yeah, we're just going to basically keep taking stuff apart and off until eventually it comes out. As you guys may or may not know, I do have a sub in my center console. I may have to remove that, I'm hoping not. But yeah, the plan is to get this out. Like I said, in the next video, I'm going to be modifying my dash. I do have a few bits to do the modifying with, so tune into that video if you want to see how I'm modifying it. But I think the best thing to do is just crack on and pull stuff apart until something happens. So we're going to start off with the glove box. Remove that. I do think there's supposed to be more screws in here than there is, because mine's all kinds of wobbly. But mine, there's a screw there, there's a screw here, I think there's a screw down the bottom somewhere, not entirely sure where, but we're just going to remove these screws. I'm lucky enough I have one of these. Makes the life a lot easier, getting into all the little tight to reach spaces. If not, just get a little stubby screwdriver, it will be absolutely fine. And make sure that you do keep all the screws you take out with what you need. Put them in like a little baggie or something, because when it comes to putting it all back together again, you're gonna possibly struggle if you've got a massive handful of screws and no idea where they went. Luckily enough, I've got this video to reference where it come from, so if I need to, I'll just reference this video. But once you've managed to get whatever screws you've got in, pull the glove box out. There will, look at the wiring, I have to fix that. There is this one connector, that's just for the light inside the glove box. Glove box removed. Next thing you need to do, there should be 3 vents here and like a console. I don't have that, but there'll be 3 vents up here. There's obviously that vent over there and this vent here. Now if you look just inside, hopefully I can angle it so you can see it, and just about make it out down there, there's a screw hole just there. Now what you would normally do is pop the front of that vent off, and then you can get to that screw hole. But as you can see, I don't have that screw in. Boom, vent out. But go across, get all the vents out. Also, make life a bit easier, get the steering wheel out your way. Is that problem solved? Or if you don't actually have a quick release, then normally in the middle of the steering wheel there'll be like the big horn button. Probably around the back there'll be like a bunch of screws. Take them out, get into the middle, and there's like a 27mm nut sort of down there at the end of the splines, and that'll remove the whole steering wheel. Gives you a lot more room. Then you're going to want to remove all this cluster. Now just up there there's a couple of screws. There's one, there's the other. Like I say, keep your screws safe, you don't want to be losing them. Remove this, and again you're probably going to need a long screwdriver. There's a bunch of screws across the bottom, so you want to get that undone. Once you got the screws out, give it a wiggle, get it all apart, just like that. I'm not entirely sure how you get out of that. It's just a little, there we go, push it off of that, done. Next thing, take this piece off, which is just the little pocket which hides the fuse box. Then you should be able to wiggle this piece out. It's like a weird game of Jenga. It's only clipped in after you've got those 2 screws. There you go. There's that bit removed. Be removing the clocks. There's a screw up there, and screw just there. going to try my best to leave it connected. What a mess. There's a screw just there. And there's another one just up the other end. They look like they go into this metal piece. So I'm guessing they've got to come out. Oh, there's another screw underneath. There's another screw up there. Oh, there's another couple of screws along here. And behind this cover is a bolt. 10mm, I guess. That looks like that's bolting all the way through. Yeah, it is, into the metal. So let's get that bolt out. A lot more play. Right. Move up to the speaker vent. Apparently my speaker's not even bolted in. What the fuck? Who the hell put that in? These were already in when I got the van. It's nice that someone's uprated my speakers, but what the hell is all this? We're going to move over to the passenger side, get some of these screws out. It's not even a screw in that one. I think this piece is separate. Yeah, it is. Brilliant. Yeah, again, speakers probably, yep, not connected. I'm probably on the world's longest piece of what the fuck is this? The fuck done this? Now it definitely feels like the only thing keeping it in is something around these vent areas. Now I can't see in there at all. Hopefully I'm going to watch this back and see if I can see anything. I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, I've been doing this now for 45 minutes. I've nearly got it out. Let me watch this back and I will see, well, I'll let you guys know when I figured out what's left holding this in, and hopefully the dash should be coming out at that point. Well, as you've seen, I was struggling like all hell to get the dash out. It's still in, but I think I've removed the wrong screw, or bolt should I say. There was a bolt that was just up there, you can just about see it, just up there I removed. Well, I actually think, where did it go? It's that up there. So I've removed that. It's an Allen head, and it's a H5, and hopefully that is what was holding this in. Oh, it was. It's above the washer fluid bottle thing, and it goes just up there. It's a little H5 Allen head bolt. That's what you need to remove. I mean, I haven't actually removed that many screws and bolts. I mean, there's what, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 10 or so screws, and push that back in there, push them clocks in there. This whole dash should come out now. Be careful of your TikTok-y things, your indicator sticks and what have you. You don't want to be pulling them out, snapping them. So you really don't want to be buying new ones. Doesn't look like there's anything connected. Ta-da! That's how you remove the dash. Luckily I could keep my sub in because that's a pain. I definitely want to go and sort all this wiring out. And now I've got it all apart, I can do it a bit nicer. That wasn't too bad, it took me about an hour and a half. And let's get this off. That does also include filming, so that's not too bad. Hopefully you guys managed to get something from this video and it did help you to get the dash out. It's fairly easy. I think the hardest part was that bolt that's over there, which isn't hiding. I just took the wrong one out. Anyway, that's my own fault, but fairly easy. Hopefully it's helped. If it has, please give it a massive thumbs up. It massively helps the channel and helps it get out there for you guys who actually need this video. But I'm going to put this camera down because I need to start doing stuff to this dash. Tune into the next video where you can see what I actually get up to. But that's that. Thank you very much as always, guys. Like I said, please give this video a massive thumbs up. It helps me and helps get the video out to other people. If you're not already subscribed, there will be a subscribe button coming up on the screen. Please feel free to press that for more weird and wonderful stuff with this. Anyway, I'm going to get myself gone. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Thank you very much for being awesome. And as always, take it easy.